You are watching Endeavor TV with the Lenovo S10-3 netbook. This is the third netbook that Lenovo produced in the last 2.5 years. And I'm going to show you today how to upgrade your RAM, how to upgrade your hard drive, why there's a SIM card slot inside this device, and of course how to take the whole thing apart. I won't show you how to do it actually, taking the whole thing apart, but I'll tell you which screws you have to check, and for pictures just check endeavor.com or the link on the right side for more pictures of the complete inside if you're planning to mod anything. But let's start off by just upgrading the RAM. So don't get scared if you're a regular user. All you have to do is unscrew these 4 screws of this metal plate here on the bottom to access the RAM, hard drive and your PCI Express slot. And yeah, I already did that. I just left in 1 screw so it doesn't take so long. You can't actually take out the screws because this metal plate is built so you can't lose them, so you can just take this whole thing off and the screws won't fall out, so you can't lose the screws. I really like that. And after taking this off, as you can see, we have the RAM right here. This is the hard drive from Hitachi, 250 gigabytes. Then we have a free RAM, PCI Express slot right here with the UMTS or 3G antennas already built in. At least that's what I'm guessing these guys are, even though it says AUX and main. And then of course we have the wireless chip, which is also PCI Express here on the top, but it's really small and I think it does Bluetooth and wireless. So yeah, this is the easy access Lenovo is offering for us. The SIM card actually goes on the other side of the main board, but just check the pictures on endeavor.com for more about that. If you only want to change your RAM to 2 gigabytes, because we only have 1 gig by Remaxel inside here, all you have to do is pull these metal fellas here on the side to the outside of the case, and then the RAM stick pops already out like this. So that wasn't really hard. Then all you have to do is take the RAM out like this, and yeah, there you go. This was the built-in RAM. It's DDR2, 667 megahertz. You can buy 800 megahertz also, but check, but ask your ask your reseller or seller for DDR2 SODIMM notebook RAM with 666 or 800 megahertz front side bus. To put it back in, just check that you have the short side on the left, pull it back in, and it's really in when you can't see any of these golden legs anymore. So you have to push it down really hard. It's not that easy. See, you can't see any of those golden legs anymore, and then just push it towards the main board till it clicks, and then it's already built in. So yeah, we could have upgraded this to 2 gigabyte right now in about 3 minutes. And if you want to change your hard drive, all you need to do is unscrew 2 screws right here. I already did that, as you can see here. I have the 2 screws here on my little RAM dummy. So unscrew the 2 screws here. There isn't any in the top ones, and then all you need to do is pull up the hard drive, because it's really loose in here after there isn't any screws, of course. And then you can just take out, come on, the hard drive with the cable, and you can change it to an SSD or a bigger hard drive, a terabyte, 500 gigs maybe, because 250 gigs isn't enough for everybody. You can just pull out the cable like this and then put in another one, and then you can install Windows 7 or any operating system you want on a new hard drive. And yeah, just press this back in, put it back, insert the screws. I will do this now because it makes my life easier if I want to show you the whole case later. So I just put in 1 screw. Of course you can choose to screw back here again, but I just do it like it was in the original. So the original, there were 2 screws right here. And then you are done. You only thing you have to do is put back the metal plate like this, push it down, screw all the 4 screws back in, and you are finished. So this is the easy way to upgrade your RAM and hard drive or PCI Express with a 3G module. If you want to take apart the whole thing to take a look at it, I don't know the reason why, because I already have pictures on nlevel.com, but if you want to take apart the whole thing to maybe upgrade your USB to 3.0, something like that, all you need to do is unscrew 4 screws on the bottom right here, 2 on the top. You have to take out the battery, then there's another 3 screws right here. I think you can see that really clearly, so it's 9 screws, and of course you have to take off the metal plate here on the bottom also. And then it gets pretty loose, the plastic gets pretty loose already, but you have to take out the keyboard also, because there's another 3 screws that are in your way to the inside. After you unscrew the 9 on the back, the keyboard comes out if you just take a plastic card like this. This is just a free entry for some club, but it's really hard plastic, so it's really practical. So just take a hard plastic card like this, go in here and just pull up the whole thing. I can't show you right now because I have the other 9 screws on the other side already not unscrewed yet, but the thing that holds the contact that holds the keyboard in here is right here on this side, here in this corner, and on the side, and on the other side the same thing, in the corner and on the side. There isn't anything on the top that's holding the keyboard, and on the bottom it's just put in the case with little legs. So all you have to do is go in here with your card, pull the whole thing up, and then you can take it out already. And yeah, you can just check out the rest of the pictures on nlevel.com how it looks inside. So this was the Lenovo Ideapad S10-3 for Endeavor TV. I'm Balázs Gál, and check out more videos and about modding and testing netbooks, nettops, MIDs, tablets on Endeavor.com and Endeavor TV on YouTube. Thank you for watching.